ഇനി ഔദ്യോഗിക പ്രഖ്യാപനമാണ് ബാക്കിയുള്ളത്. CPM-ന്റെ ജനറൽ സെക്രട്ടറിയായി MA ബേബി, CPM-നെ പാർട്ടിയെ നയിക്കാൻ അമരത്തേക്ക് MA ബേബി എത്തുകയാണ്. ഇനി ഔദ്യോഗിക പ്രഖ്യാപനം മാത്രമാണ് ബാക്കിയുള്ളത്. അതിനായുള്ള കാത്തിരിപ്പാണ്. MA ബേബി സംസാരിക്കുകയാണ്, കേൾക്കാം.
Of the progressive movement, democratic movement, working class movement is to do all that is possible by mobilizing all sections of society who can be mobilized to defend constitutional values, to defend democracy, to defend secularism. The threat of the neo-fascist tendencies from the ruling classes, the triumvirate of Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, and the person sitting in Nagpur, Mohan Bhagat, they are taking the country through the path of neo-fascist onslaught on the people of our country. Very recently, in the media, we have been reading about how a popular film, a Malayalam film, in which very eminent artists are involved, is an assault by Sangh Parivar. Organizer, the mouthpiece of RSS, continuously writes against this film. What was the sin of that film? In a small portion of that film, there are some references of the horrible, gruesome, genocidal attacks and murder, mayhem carried out by Sangh Parivar in Gujarat. It is there in the memory of everybody. There is a reference about that. But that film has been certified by the Central Board of Film Certification, where RSS representatives, RSS nominees are there. They have certified the film. But the film, after having been released, when this became a discussion, there was threats issued against those who have worked in this particular film. I don't want to go into the details. Afterwards, there are continuous raids taking place on the premises of all those who are associated with this film. So, what is being pointed out in the political resolution prepared for the 24th Party Congress of CPIM, that neo-fascist trends are being displayed by the ruling classes in our country. This is being proved during the course of our party Congress.